Top 9. Best Kayak Helmet of helmets, and identified some of the best models in terms of protection, comfort, and value for the money. Number 9. NRS Havoc Livery Helmet. Simple, lightweight ABS helmet with a closed-cell EVA liner. The design provides excellent impact protection, and 6 large vent ports give good airflow and quick drainage. It is the choice of many whitewater guide outfitters and kayak rental companies. Good quality from a proven company. Comfortable for all-day wear. Great price. Number 8. Tontron Water Helmet. Helmet is a fairly typical ABS shell helmet with an EVA foam liner. A rear dial strap size adjustment system allows for tuning the fit snugly to different head shapes, and the removable ear protection pads allow the user to adapt the helmet to different conditions and temperature ranges. Comfortable full wrap liner. Removable ear guards. Camera and light mounting systems included. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Kayak Helmet or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. ProTec Ace Wake Helmet. The ultra-fast draining characteristics provided by 15 large vent holes. The build of this ABS helmet did not disappoint either. It showed the refinement that comes from several decades in the sports helmet business. Removable ear guards provide the fully protected feeling we like. Very solid and padded feel. Well-designed ear guards. Super fast draining. Number 6. Shred Ready Standard Fullcut. Gives great protection and durability at an affordable price. The helmet feels light and secure on the head, with a snug, comfortable fit provided by the expanded polypropylene liner and closed-cell foam fitting pads, added extensions that drop down to provide ear protection. High-quality build details. Stylish yet strong and comfortable. Value pricing. Number 5. Shred Ready Standard Fullface. Fullface gives the highest level of protection available. This one is strong, light, comfortable, and one of the most affordable full-face helmets available. The EPP liner material combined with the closed-cell foam custom fit pads gives this model a snug, American-made, stylish protection at a low price. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. WRSI Trident Composite. A carbon composite outer shell with a polyurethane subshell and EVA foam liners. The liner is removable and replaceable, and this model comes with 9 adjustable fit pads. The strap system automatically adjusts to hold the helmet in place against. Good shell design and shape. Super lightweight. Very durable and solid feel to this helmet. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Kayak Helmet or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Sweet Protection Strutter Helmet. The long fiber thermoplastic shell that combines polyamide with long fiberglass strands to produce exceptional impact resistance at a low volume. Extra protection is provided by a carbon fiber reinforced polymer insert on the inside front of the shell. Light and comfortable to wear all day. European made by a pioneering company. Sporty looks. Number 2. Gath Gedi Helmet. The first surfing helmet in 1989 when wearing a helmet in the waves was a novelty. However, with surfers pushing the boundaries of the sport on heavier waves and with tone surfing, the life-saving benefits of head protection were obvious. Heavy water enthusiasts around the world. Very light and comfortable. Leading reputation for quality. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Number 1. Sweet Protection Rocker HC, high-tech helmet for professional level performance. It is going to cost you some money to get into a rocker, but you will get ultimate protection. Sweet Protection is a Norwegian company that has been building skateboard gear. They are serious about their helmet technology. Comfortable and light. Outstanding design details. A proven company. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Kayak Helmet or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.